Good morning, traders. Thomas DeLello here with WCI's Trading the Zones. I wanted to share a little concept with you this morning here, a little slice of our market perspective, our mindset, if you will. The way that we trade, the way that we operate in the markets, so much different than how the standard retail trader operates. And, when I say retail trader, I speak from experience. I've been there, I've done that. And I've found the correct way, the effective way to trade in the markets is to emulate the smart money traders, the traders that are consistently making money in the markets, do what they do, try and think like they do. We want to operate in the markets in the area that they're operating in. And in order to do that, we don't put any pressure on ourselves. No pressure to predict, no pressure to be perfect, no pressure to feel that we have to try and control the market, no pressure to trade every little wiggle in price that comes throughout the day. There's no pressure. I don't put any pressure on myself to predict where the market's going to go, tick by tick, moment to moment in the market. In fact, with what I know now, after all these years of trading in the markets, it's ridiculous to assume that you know exactly where the market's going to go. To assume that the market's going to go to any exact price. It just goes where it goes, and you can't predict prices. But what we do and what you can do is watch the market, watch prices, watch the information the market's giving it to you, and use that to your advantage. This is what the pros do. This is how the smart money operates in the market. In fact, what I do is the opposite of predicting. We let the market move in one direction or another, and we create these if-then scenarios in the market. So if the market is stuck in a range here, I'm not trying to predict which way it's going to go. I really don't care which way it goes, to the upside, to the downside. But if it heads down into a demand zone that I already have an area marked as an area that I'm interested in doing business, then I know what I want to see in the order flow when it gets down into that area in order to confirm entry. If it heads up into a supply zone, I already know the area in the market that I'm interested in conducting business. So being able to visually see the market can greatly increase this whole process of imagining the possibilities, if you will, and being prepared instead of predicting. Being able to visually see the market on a deeper level than what most traders are seeing or looking at can greatly increase your edge. No predicting. We're creating these if-then scenarios and preparing ourselves. It's all about identifying the important zones of price in the market where we want to do business. And when the market gets into those areas, we know what we want to see in the real-time order flow in order to take a trade. In order to do this, we need to create a frame of reference, and that's exactly how we operate in the market, creating a frame of reference. Trade patient, trade well, everybody. Have a great day.